How to use Affirm on Walmart. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to check out online or in store using the Affirm on Walmart, it is quite simple. To start off with some of the advantages or benefits of using online and in store, you'll get transparency, flexibility, and fairness. To get started with online, you have to select Affirm and add eligible items into the checkout option or cart. After that, you can enter your info for a quick decision and pick up a payment option and fill in the details. Once this is done, you can check out online and easily complete your purchase. Likewise, the process to use it on store is first of all, you have to apply online on affirm.com/Walmart. Now you can submit the application and enter your purchase total and some additional details given on screen. Then, after while checking out, present the barcode to a store associate and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.